Hello students, welcome to my channel. Already in the previous class, I have informed you that 8th standard syllabus is changed to ncert syllabus. So in that ncert 8th standard mathematics syllabus, I have started. That is, the first chapter is playing with numbers. In that chapter already, we have seen in the first exercise, that is the general form and also numbers and digits, alphabets and digits we have seen. We have solved exercise 1.1 also. In the today's class, I am taking test of divisibility. Test of divisibility, very important. Already you have learned these all things in the previous classes. That is, in your 6th standard you might have been learned them. Once I recall them, and again I am going to teach them in the different way. See students, if the numbers are multiples of 10, what are the multiples of 10? Multiples of 10. Which are the multiples of 10? 20, 10 also can be 30, 40, 50. These all are multiples of 10. Then some non-multiples of 10 also we will write. Non-multiples of 10. Non-multiples of 10. Which are those? Maybe they are 13, 24, 35, 47, 59 and so on we can write. When we see the divisibility by 10, first we will see divisibility by 10. Divisibility by 10. You observe here, divisibility by 10, the multiples of 10 are completely divisible by 10. This is, see, 10 2s are 20, 10 1s are 10, remainder will be 0, 10 3s are 30, 10 4s are 40. That means what we can say here, divisibility by 10 is very easy. All the multiples of 10 are divisible by 10. All the multiples of 10 are the numbers which end with, or which the numbers in which the last digit or the digit in its ones place must be 0. For example, 160 in this is ones place. In this ones place 0 is there. That means this is divisible by 10. Then 2240. In this number, in its units place there is 0. That means it is divisible by 10. Try to understand. Very easy. Whatever the number of digits, but we have to see the ones place or in its ones digit. Ones place digit is 0. It must be 0. Then it is divisible by 10. That is divisibility by 10. What is the divisibility by 10? In the given number, the digit which present in its ones place must be 0. Then those numbers are divisible by 10. In general, just one 3-digit number I take. That is, suppose CBA is one general number it is. In this, C is in the 100 place, plus B is in the tens place, plus A is in the ones place. Okay? Then just now I told you what must be 0. Here this must be 0. That means here in place of A it must be 0. Then this number is divisible by 10. This is what? Divisibility by 10 in the general form. What is the divisibility? Divisibility by 10. The numbers which must have 0 in its ones place. Such numbers are divisible by 10. Then next we will see divisibility by 2. divisibility by 2. That is divisibility by 2. You know the even numbers. Which are the even numbers? Even numbers. Which are those? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. These are called as even numbers. Which are the odd numbers? Which are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. These are odd numbers. Now divisibility by 2. You just observe here, these all even numbers are divisible by 2. How? 2 ones are 2. Suppose if you are dividing 2 by 2. 2 ones are 2. Remainder is 0. Divisibility means completely divisible. Remainder must be 0. That is divisibility. Like that, all the even numbers you observe, they are divisible by 2. So then what we can conclude? Divisibility by 2 is nothing but the numbers which are either even numbers or they must end with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. All the even numbers are divisible by 2 or numbers must end with either 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. 2420, then 3562, then 4754, then 6896, then 8988, then 10,000. See, not only these numbers, like this type of numbers. Numbers which end with either 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 or 0. 0 is there already, once I repeated it. Such numbers, such type of numbers are divisible by 2. So what is the divisibility test? Numbers should be, the given numbers should be end with either 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. Such numbers are divisible by 2 or all the even numbers are divisible by 2. Odd numbers, they never divisible by 2. Odd numbers, they never divisible by 2. Odd numbers means they must end with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 or so on. So odd numbers never divisible by 2. Even numbers are divisible by 2. This is what divisibility test for 10 and 2 we have learnt. Then the next test we will see divisibility by 5. That is very easy. Divisibility by 5. Divisibility by 5. See how to test the given numbers whether they are divisible by 5. See, suppose the numbers 10, 15, 20, 205, 310, 455, 695. To observe these numbers, see 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 5. All these numbers are ending with or in their units place they are having 0 or 5. Such type of all numbers are divisible by 5. Very easy it is. Divisibility by 5, how to do it? The numbers which must end with either 0 or 5 or the numbers which are having either 0 or 5 in their units place. Such numbers are divisible by 5. This is what divisibility test by 5. Next we will see divisibility for 9 and 3. Divisibility for 9 and 3. divisibility for 9 and 3. Now, for both 9 and 3, just one test. What is that? Now we'll see. 2703 is one number. Okay. Now, how to test whether this number is divisible by 3? First we will see 3. See now what to do? We have to add the digits of this all given number. What are the digits here? 2, 7, 0, 3 are the digits. Those all we have to add. On adding, see what we have got? 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 is divisible by 3. Okay, that means 12 is in 3 table. 3 4s are 12. That means 12 is divisible by 3. This implies that 2703 is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. What is the divisibility test for 3? The sum of the digits of the given number must be divisible by 3. Then given number is divisible by 3. What it is? The sum of the digits of the given number must be divisible by 3. Then the given number is divisible by 3. Suppose if the sum is not divisible, what? It is not, given number is not divisible by 3. Suppose 3203. Now we will see the sum. 3 plus 2 plus 0 plus 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 0. 5 plus 3 is 8. See, 8 is not divisible by 3. That means this implies that 3203 is not divisible by 3. Is not divisible by 3. That means that here 3203 is not divisible by 3. Why it is not divisible by 3? Because the sum of the digits of the given number is 8. 8 is not divisible by 3. So the given number is not divisible by 3. Same way 9 also. The sum of the digits of the given number must be divisible by 9. Then the given numbers are divisible by 9. Same test for the 9 also. This is what? Divisibility for 9 and 3. What we have learnt now? Divisibility for 10, 5, 2, then 3, 9. These all divisibility tests we have learnt now. Now let us see exercise, and also I am going to give you the homework also. Please try those in your houses. Okay children, those who are not having the textbook, you can copy this for your reference. Okay students, now let me solve the exercise 1.2. In exercise 1.2, the first problem is if 21y5, here in place of tens place there is a digit, that is y, that we have to find out now. 21y5 is a multiple of 9. It is a multiple of 9 where y is a digit. What is the value of y? Now we have to find out the value of y now. This is given number. In that given number, one digit is unknown. That is, y is unknown. Now how to find out? See, given number is 21y5. Given number is 21y5. What is the rule for the divisibility for 9? We have to find out the sum of the digits of the given number. See, 2 plus 1 plus y plus 5. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8 plus y is divisible by 9, or 8 plus y is multiple of 9. Here what we have to put to make this divisible by 9? Here 1 we have to put. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 is divisible by 9. 9 ones are 9. So this is what this implies that y equal to 1. Value of y is here 1. So like this, with the help of the divisibility test of the 9, we can find out the value of y. Now the second problem. Second problem, if 3 1 z 5, if 3 1 z 5 is a multiple of 9, is a multiple of 9, where z is a digit, where z is a digit, z is a digit, then what is the value of z? Then find z. Find z. Same method. What we have done? Solution. Given number. What is the given number? 3 1 z 5. Z it is z 5. How to find out? This implies that 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5. This is nothing but 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus z is divisible by what? 9. See here. In place of z, what we have to put to make this divisible by 9? Here we have to put 0. 0 means what happens here? 9 plus 0 is 9. It is divisible by 9. Or this implies that z is equal to 0. In place of here we have to put 0. Then only it is divisible by 9. So this is what the second problem of exercise 1.2. Now third problem. Copy this. See here, not only 0 here, sometimes if it is 9 here, in place of z, 0 means okay, it is divisible by 9. Even we put here 9, 99, 99 means 11 9s are 99. Either z equal to 0 or 9 also is the answer. So then the third problem is, if 24x is a multiple of 3, if 24x is a multiple of, okay students, see here the third problem is, if 24x is a multiple of 3, where x is a digit, what is the value of x? What is the value of x? Now see, you know the divisibility of 3. How to do? Just we have to add the digits of the given number. That is, the given number is 24x. This implies that how we are doing the divisibility test for 3. 2 plus 4 plus x is divisible by 3. 2 plus 4 is 6 plus x is divisible by 3. Here, suppose if I put here 0, 6 plus 0 is 6. That is divisible by 3. Okay. This implies that x equal to 0. Not only 0, suppose 1 I put, it is not divisible by 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 is not divisible by 3. If I put here 2, 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 is not divisible by 3. Suppose if I put here 3, 6 plus 3 is 9. So 3 is also x equal to 3 also. In the same way, 6 also, 9 also, 12 also it goes. Okay. So these all are the values of the x to make it divisible by 3. The next one is fourth problem, that is if 3 1 z 5, if 3 1 z 5 is a multiple of 3, is a multiple of 3, what might be the value of z? What is the value of z? Okay. See, again the same method. Solution. Given number 3 1 z 5. What is the method? Sum of the digits, that is 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5 is divisible by 3. That is 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9 plus z is divisible by 3. Then what may be the z value? Now see, z equal to first 0. Okay, and then afterwards 1 no, 2 no, 3, 0, 3, 6, like this the values will be going on. So this is what the divisibility for 3. On that base we are doing the examples like this. So please copy this, and I am going to give you some few homework also. You can try those. Okay students, these are the few sums are there for the homework purpose. So solve these all the sums sincerely. So thank you for watching, share and subscribe my channel.